Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram music no result found. So guys, if you want to use any music on Instagram reel or on Instagram story or any post and facing the issue that no result found, so guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to open your Instagram app, and now we are checking that what kind of problem will occur. So guys, I am going to upload my story on Instagram account. So guys, for example, I am uploading this story. So guys, simply you need to click on this, and here you can see the option of music. So guys, simply you need to click on it. So guys, if you want to use from these music, so guys you can use easily. So guys, if you want to search any music, so guys, for example, I am checking that. So and guys, now you can see it has been error of no result found. So guys, it is because of I have entered keyword that is randomly and not correct. So guys, first of all you need to make sure that your keywords are correct, and after entering your keyword your problem will be fixed. So guys, now you can see here. So guys, when I am going to back and I am writing any right keyword, so guys, for example, and now you can see, so all of keywords are working on this tab. So guys, the first your first method is you need to correct your keyword, and guys, after correcting your keyword, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to update your Instagram app. So guys, simply you need to open your app store, and guys, here you need to search Instagram. And guys, after searching you need to search it, and after searching you need to open your Instagram, click on Instagram, and guys you need to update from here. And guys, after doing update your problem will be fixed. And guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings, click on general, iPhone storage, and guys, here you need to find Instagram, click on Instagram, and click on offload app, and click on offload. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again from your app store, and you need to re-login, means login again on your Instagram app. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to use any music on Instagram story or on reel. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.